Welcome to Beta Online Learning. This is a question for the 12th standard CBSE mathematics on the topic integrals. In this question, we are going to see the integration by a smart substitution, a seemingly hard problem, but could be solved easily by a smart substitution. Here is the question. The problem definition is we have to find integral dx by x cubed into 1 plus x power 4 whole power half. It is actually the root of 1 plus x power 4 is given as whole power half. That we should understand here. But it is given as 1 plus x power 4 whole power half. X cubed is separately multiplied by this part. So understand this question carefully. How do we solve this problem? Looks hard, but it can be easily solved by using a smart substitution. Let us go to the solution with detailed explanation. Solution to the problem. Now, we have this integral. We now take x squared out. Actually, we are taking x power 4 out here. Taking x power 4 out from the expression inside the bracket. Now, watch inside the bracket, there is x power 4. But at 1 plus 1 by x power 4, how did it come? We have taken x power 4 inside the square root, actually 1 by x power 4. So when we take x power 4 outside, it becomes x squared here, outside the bracket. And it is 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole power half in the denominator. So the denominator, we have taken x power 4 out, and that becomes x square when you take it outside the square root, outside the whole power half. So that is the very tricky one here. And after that, it becomes x cubed into x square into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power half. After that, we combine these two. X cubed into x squared becomes x power 5. We are adding the powers here. 3 plus 2 is 5. So using the laws of exponents, we write this as x power 5 into, of course, 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power half. 1 by x power 4 can be written as x power minus 4 using the reciprocal rule for the law of exponents, the negative exponent to positive exponent rule, the positive exponent to negative exponent rule. So that is why it becomes 1 by x power 4 becomes x power minus 4 within the brackets whole power half. Now we make a smart substitution in this. Our expression becomes much simpler now. Just by putting 1 plus x power minus 4 is equal to t. Of course, it is within the bracket there. So it becomes very simple here. Once we make this smart substitution, 1 plus x power minus 4 is equal to t. Taking differentials on both sides, we get minus 4 x power minus 5 dx is equal to dt. Therefore, we will get minus 4 by x power 5 dx. Of course, x power 5, because we are using again the negative exponent, the reciprocal rule for the law of exponents. That is, negative exponent to positive exponent by using reciprocal here. We change it to minus 4 by x power 5 dx is equal to dt. Still, we can bring that, separate the variables right now. Here, dx by x power 5 is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. So we can now substitute this dx by x power 5 by minus 1 by 4 dt. That's all. So it becomes very simple now. The integral becomes minus 1 by 4 integral dt by t power half. This dx by x power 5 is that minus 1 by 4 dt. So that is what has come here. Minus 1 by 4 is a constant. It can be taken out of the integral symbol. So, and the denominator remains as t power half. Now the integral becomes minus 1 by 4 dt by t power half, which is equal to, on integrating this, of course, again we make this t power minus half dt, simpler integration. So Integrating becomes easier. We have the standard form x power n, integral x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, the standard form. Then we are making use of that t power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. On integrating, we get the c plus c as the constant of integration. Simplifying this expression, we get this minus 1 by 4 into t power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. We will be getting minus half plus 1 is t power half, and the 2 goes up and then becomes minus 2 t power half by 4 will get cancelled when we write t integration. So the final answer would be on back substitution for t, with t is equal to 1 plus x power minus 4. Within the square root, we get that expression for t as 1 plus x power minus 4. So minus 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x power minus 4 plus c, and this is the answer. So we get the final answer as this. For the simplification, we get the final answer now. Minus 1 by 2 square root of 1 plus x minus 4, x power minus 4 plus c. Again, we simplify this further. Minus 1 by 2 square root of 1 plus 1 by x power 4 plus c. Of course, the square root inside the expression inside the square root is further simplified as x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. And within the square root, we can keep that x power 4 plus 1 as 1 plus x power 4. And simplifying that x power 4, the root of x power 4 is taken out as x squared here, out of the square root. Minus 1 by 2 x squared into 1 plus into square root of 1 plus x squared plus c. This is the final simplified answer. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.